Hey friends, welcome back to Civil Engineering Mastery. In this video, we are going to discuss about how do we apply floor loads on slab in Staad.Pro Software. Slab loading, we need to apply it as a one-way slab or a two-way slab. Let's discuss how the load distribution pattern in Staad.Pro Software. So without delay, let's begin now. Let's start assigning the floor load. First, let's select this floor and then go to view selected objects only. Click on this isometric view. So we have got only this floor, general, and then loads and definition. So here under load case detail, under dead load we can add, and here we can select the floor load. Here the pressure is given, we need to apply the pressure. I'm going to give 3 kilonewton per meter square. So here you have to select X range, Z range or Y range. So we are going to apply in the Y range. Now the pressure has been given and Y range has been selected. Next we need to give the range. See here it is Y range, define Y range, define X range, and we have defined Z range. Let's select the node cursor, and then here if you select in this Y range, Y will be 0, and we are going to apply the load at this node, this node, this node and this node. All the slabs we are going to apply, so we need to check here. Let's see, the Y range is 5. Everywhere if you check, the Y range will be 5. So here you have to give minimum Y range is 5, maximum Y range is 5. Next, X range. As you know from the global direction, this is the direction for the entire structure. So here we need to consider the global direction only. So this is your X direction. Here the minimum X range is 0. If you double click on here, this is 0, X is 0 over here, and if you click here, X will be 20. Similarly, if you click over here, X will be 20. So the minimum X range is 0 and the maximum X range is 20. Similarly, let's check for Z range. Here if you check, it is minus 8, and here if you check, it is 8 meter. So from here it is 0. So the minimum X range is 0 and the maximum X range is 8. Sorry, here it is minus 8. So we need to give the value as minus 8 here. Minimum X range and maximum X range is positive 8. And we need to select the direction over here, that is global Y direction. Give add and then close. Now if you select this one, see the load has been assigned. Floor load has been assigned as per the ranges we have given. Now let's change this X range. This one slab is 5 meter length. Here instead of 20 I am going to give 15. Let's see. See, up to 15 meter the load has been assigned. So the range, Staad is taking the range whatever we have given in this tab. See, if you double click on here, the X range will be 15 meters. Similarly, see the minimum Z range is minus 8 we have given here. Let me change this one to 0. Let's give change. See, this has been removed. Only the range from 0 to 8 has been taken by the Staad. You check here, the Z range is 0 and here it is 8 meters. So in this way you can apply the floor loading. So we have 3 floors. So we have applied the load only on this floor. Let me show you how to change the load to all the floors. If you change the Y range, you can enter the loads to all the floors. See here, I'm going to enter the minimum Y range is 5 meter. Let's check. See, this is 5 meter and this is 10 meter and this is 15 meter. So maximum is going to be 15. And here let me give 20 the X direction, and this also let me change it to minus 8. Give change. See, it has been applied all over the slabs. Here you can see the load distributing pattern. Staad has taken the load distributing pattern as per yield line theory. So this is the two-way slab load distribution. If you just click on this and then edit, so here you will be getting one option. We have entered all the values and ranges, but you can see there is one option called one-way distribution. So if you want to make the slab as a one-way slab, you have to check this box, so that instead of two-way slab, the Staad will consider that slab as a one-way distribution. So first let's see what is yield line theory, what is two-way slab distribution. Then let's change the one-way distribution and then check how the Staad is distributing the load for one-way distribution. Here as per yield line theory, two-way slab distribution is like this. There will be two trapezoidal portion and two triangular portion. As you can see, this is one trapezoidal portion and this is one trapezoidal portion. Two trapezoidal portion, and here we have a triangular area and triangular area. So this triangular area load will be distributed to this beam, and this trapezoidal area load will be distributed to this beam. Similarly, here also this load will be going to this beam and this load will be going to this beam. So this is the two-way slab load distribution as per yield line theory. You can see the pattern over here. So everywhere it is two trapezoidal and two triangular. Let's edit this one. Go to edit, and here the ranges will be the same, and instead of two-way slab distribution, let's select this one-way slab distribution, and then give change. Here you can see the one-way slab distribution. One-way slab, see, it has distributed like this. Let's see the one-way slab distribution. Let's mark the slab, one slab here. Here half of the load will be transferred to this beam and half of the load will be transferred to this beam. So that is what the Staad is indicating, and it has the middle line. This area, this shaded area of the load will be transferred to this beam. Similarly, this shaded area will be distributed to this beam. In the same manner, all the slab load will be distributed as a one-way slab. So in this way, you can change two-way slab and one-way slab in assigning the floor loads. If you don't assign the one-way slab distribution, the Staad will default, it will consider as a two-way slab. And if you want to change the distribution, then you can select that one-way slab distribution, so that the Staad will create a one-way slab distribution for the slabs. So friends, this is how we have to apply the floor loads on slab in Staad.Pro Software. I hope you all like this video. Please do comment in the comment box. Your comments are always welcome. If you like the content, hit the like button and also share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.